My reset recipe. I put on comfy shoes and walk to a patch of grass. Sit down and place my hands flat on the ground. Breathe deeply and feel the textures between my fingers. 1 minute counting all the different shades of green I can see. Then 1 minute of looking up and following the shapes of the skyline. Return home. You will need grab a pen or pencil and paper from the activity box. Activity. What do you do or where do you go to clear your head and take a moment to reset? Is it a regular dog walk, a bench by the beach, or a cozy cafe, or somewhere in your home? Note down a beautiful walk you enjoy. Where is it? What will people find? Draw your most treasured spot to sit when life gets full on. Why is it so special? What can you feel, see, or smell when you go to your favorite place? Note this down or tell the person next to you. Write your own reset recipe using your answers. Use the recipe on the front of this card for an example. Share your favorite reset recipe for others to try. This activity was supplied by artist Carrie Phoenix and is part of our Friends Around the Table project. For more DIY activities, visit www.suffolkartlink.org.uk/session-type/DIY-sessions. This activity box has been put together by Suffolk Artlink for groups to use with or without a group leader. We hope that you enjoy the activities. If you'd like to write to us with any questions, contact kasia@suffolkartlink.org.uk. That's KASIA@suffolkartlink.org.uk. We'd love to see your creations. Send images to the email above. Enjoy getting creative. If you have any more ideas for activities, why not add them to the activity box? This project has been made possible by generous support of Suffolk County Council, National Lottery Community Fund, Suffolk Community Foundation, and Baber and Mid Suffolk District Councils. To support us, please like, comment, and subscribe.